In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and change grid lines in your Excel. Grid lines are the subtle lines behind your data that make charts easier to read at a glance. They help your audience line up values with the axis, spot trends, and compare bars or points without guessing. Today, we'll use the Quick Chart Elements menu, the small green plus icon that appears next to a selected chart, to turn grid lines on and adjust what shows. This method is fast, consistent across most versions of Excel, and gives you instant visual feedback. First, make sure the chart you want to adjust is active. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and handles around it. When a chart is active, look for a small green plus sign floating near the upper right of the chart area. That's the Chart Elements button. If you don't see it, click the chart once to bring it up. If it still doesn't appear, you may have clicked outside the chart or selected a shape instead. Try clicking directly on the chart area or one of its bars or lines to reselect it. With the chart selected, click the green plus sign to open the Chart Elements menu. In that menu, click Gridlines. The moment you do, Excel will toggle grid lines on the chart, typically adding major grid lines along the primary axis. You'll see faint horizontal or vertical lines appear that make it easier to read exact values. If you change your mind, click Grid Lines again to hide them just as quickly. Within the Grid Lines option, Excel often provides choices for which lines to display, such as major or minor, horizontal or vertical, depending on your chart type. Major grid lines are usually enough for most presentations, keeping the chart clean while still improving readability. If your data is very dense or precise, enabling minor grid lines can help, but be mindful of clutter. The goal is to guide the eye, not overwhelm it. A few quick tips as you work. If you're preparing a chart for print or projection, check that your grid lines are visible at the final size. Very light lines can disappear when printed or on a projector. For dark backgrounds, consider slightly darker grid lines for contrast, and for busy charts, stick to major grid lines only. Also, remember that chart grid lines are different from worksheet grid lines, which control the light cell boundaries on the spreadsheet itself. Today, we're focusing on chart grid lines using the Chart Elements menu. That's it. Click the plus sign, then click Grid Lines to show or hide them, and choose the variation that best supports your data story. Try it on one of your charts now and see how much clearer your message becomes.